Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's gonna be a chilly one. What you doing over there, Jason?
Packing up, wrapping a bike cover.
Woohoo! Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Look at you in a t-shirt and it's like amazingly cold. Ready for another ride?
Ready for a 37-degree start.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Yoo-hoo! It's not bad if you keep moving.
It's really cold out, you guys, but guess what? We have a fourth bike with us, another ghost rider going with us today. Check it out. Kris, who is the inventor of the Scar, is gonna be riding with us today. This is gonna be awesome.
I had been up on some other routes, and I thought, well, I'll just plan an adventure route in South Carolina. So I started researching it and got on Basecamp and Google Maps and everything. I mean, Sumter National Forest that we're riding through today, I love because it's gravel. Mm-hmm. We're going to get you out of the sand today into the gravel, and it's just beautiful back in there.
Awesome.
Cool. But
so best part's coming up.
Yeah, but the mountains, I love the mountains and the views. I'm a view person.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that gives us our good shots too. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're going to find out that your pace won't be the same with us.
Oh yeah,
Because we stop a lot.
I understand.
Well, he probably stopped a lot when he was routing it, so had to stop, make notes, move on.
I stop for pictures and video and prostate stops. And everything.
Yeah, we're all gray, we know.
What these guys love is when I say, okay, it's drone time. Oh, it takes forever.
Turn it off, start fishing.
Let me surf some Facebook for a while. I'm trying to get faster at it. I learned yesterday that I can launch from my hand and recapture from my hand, so I don't have to actually dismount from the bike now to launch the drone. So we're getting it more efficient.
Which drone do you use?
The original Mavic Pro. I just got the Mavic Pro 2 that I use for my work, and upgraded that for work. And this one got downgraded to the junk drone.
To the beater. The beater drone. And
Jinx.
Yesterday, he put it through the test.
I was trying the active track to have it follow us, and I'd forgotten apparently some time ago I must have turned off the accident or the collision avoidance sensor.
Right into a tree.
But dusted it off and it's working great. Cool. Well, are we ready to hit the road?
Let's do it.
Ready.
Right.
Thanks for ordering the cold temperatures, by the way.
Oh,
37.
Yesterday was beautiful. Great.
Other than the 30 minutes of rain we have to deal with. Man.
Cool. Let's do it. Do it. Hey, Steve.
Yes, sir.
What's the weather report for today?
You want a prediction about the weather. You're asking the wrong Phil.
Well, today it's going to be partly cloudy with a high of 54 degrees. Present temperature is, according to the Honda thermometer, is 41.
Awesome.
You just keep thinking that with your heated vest on.
It's brisk, but it's not horrible.
It's going to be cold. It's going to be gray.
And we've got Kris riding with us today. Isn't that cool? Hey,
Yeah.
Kris.
Kris with the turn signal on.
Kris with a K.
The inventor, the originator of the Scar.
Oh yeah. We need to come up with a title for him, like Sir Scar.
Sir Scar. Kris, you got something flapping off your right front.
Yep, I know it. Once we slow down for the first dirt section, I'll reach down and clip it.
Water sucks.
Roll 30 seconds on something. I'm going to roll Chris's blinker going.
Man, boys, this is beautiful. Look at this. Are we in for a treat today or what?
Seems like it.
You guys staying warm enough?
Oh yeah. Got toasty hands.
Jason?
The rest of my body's pretty good, except for where somebody splashed a big old puddle up in my face. Thanks, Chris.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I believe you said, come up close, I'm rolling on a GoPro. Come here, sucker. Oh, good spot.
Sharp break coming up.
All right.
Get on that gas at the bottom. It's the steep one. Left turn.
Glad you were watching. Too busy worrying about all that gravel back there. Right, back on the saddle again.
Wait a minute, this sounds interesting.
Back on the saddle again. Trying not to crash again. Did you get it?
Got it. Cool shot.
Fantastic. Fantastic. I got you.
Can you tell we're all grinning from ear to ear inside these helmets?
Nothing like hitting 55 miles an hour on a dirt road.
Oh, perfect little S-curve. So Steve, if you were telling a newbie in photography about compositional tools they could use, give me some examples.
Compositional tools, rule of thirds, and the backwards E is probably the biggest one. Where you start in the top left-hand corner and you kind of swerve over to the right and down.
Fibonacci sequence.
Check out the big brain on Brad.
Right, and why that's important for Americans is we always start on the top left side of the page to start reading. So you need leading lines to create that eye flow.
Nice.
Before you push the button, scan the whole edge of your frame to see if everything is in there that you want, or if there's things in there that you don't want. Left turn.
Basically, you want to eliminate any distractions that might be in the corners that you haven't thought about.
Well, I can give you a perfect example of a photograph that I took yesterday, as seen here in the edit. Took a picture of an old building that we stopped at, and it had the only thing that had bright color in it was the recycle bin in the bottom corner. So you walk up there and move it, take another picture.
So don't have any distracting bright elements in the corners where it's going to distract you and lead your eye out of the frame.
Correct.
What about any rules, Jason? Is there a rule of something that people can use?
A rule.
Oh, you got me back!
Water sucks. It really, really sucks. Water sucks.
Oh, you suck! Oh, you went right for that puddle on purpose.
Victory is mine.
Man, and I was standing up too, so it's a full body shot.
How's it feel?
Oh man.
Hey, going back to rules, Chris. Rules would be made to be broken,
Yes, they are.
especially in photography. Steve, you gonna go up and get Jason and I coming around the corner? I will. About to drop the bike.
Don't do that.
All right, proceed to party. Y'all bring it on. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Gas on.
I am rolling.
Am I going to the right?
Yep.
Go hit that tempo.
wheel right, the harder they go well. And it'll be wet, well, there.
I've been there once before.
No,
Okay.
They pretty good.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right. What was the name of it?
Man, guys, that was an awesome day of riding so far. We just made it to this little tiny town. Nice gentleman at the gas station said it was a good place for some pizza. So here we go.
Let's see 1,000 miles. Lots of add-ons.
What's up, boys?
Hey, he's doing it again.
How are ya? How was that morning of riding?
It was wonderful. It started out cold, turned into beautiful.
It was the coolest ride we've had yet.
Was that the slowest riding you've had in a while?
It was perfect.
It wasn't slow, it was just a lot of stops.
When we were riding, it was great.
Well, we are going to have some lunch and we'll be back on the trail. All right, Kris. Thank you so much, man.
Yeah.
Fist bump COVID.
It was awesome.
Hey, this is good. Look at. Oh, there you go.
Maybe show the feet.
We are normally both vertically challenged, but we appreciated your time coming out and hanging out with us.
Well,
That was awesome.
Thanks for letting me.
Oh, we appreciate it. And being able to see what you've done with this route, everybody's going to love it.
Yeah.
So,
Good. Well, be safe.
all right.
Enjoy the rest of the trip.
You too. Enjoy the ride home.
All right. Take care.
Think about this. 2 years ago, this route did not even exist.
Correct.
And if it wasn't for him taking this up as a personal project, I mean,
We would just be riding around aimlessly.
aimlessly, which is kind of what we do anyway. But I think it's neat that somebody would take that on. You know, kudos to him for putting the South Carolina adventure route on the map.
Absolutely.
You bet.
Not to mention, who would have thought he was a photographer on top of it?
I know. We have a lot in common.
Yeah. And he rides an Africa Twin, so he can't be all bad. Pretty. Right turn. And then a left turn. And then a right turn. And then a straightaway. So it's really cool, you know, this Scar has just a little bit of everything. You got the dirt, you got the farm roads going through the countryside, and now we get the little twisty roads. And then we get the bridge. Are you guys behind me? Yep. Oh, there's your sign, Kris. There's the sign! More twisty roads ahead. And road closed 500 feet. Huh.
Yep. Completely.
This must have been the section. Oh. This is the part that he was talking about. No way around it, huh? I don't know. We'll sneak up here and see.
No.
No, I see a big old gappage thing. Oh. Bridge. Temporary bridge.
Yep, we're gonna turn around.
They got to block off. Bummer. He did mention somewhere there was a road closure sign. This was it. This is the part. Oh, they just poured concrete. Yeah, we'll just go back up and we'll maybe just do a little 5-minute ride down the road from the other end. Woohoo! Think how cool is it that my brother was just off the Scar? We get to stay with him tonight.
Oh, that's cool.
I think that could not have worked out any better if you'd wanted it to. Get us a hot meal, I hope. Nice place to stay. good company. I'll link to the episode from the cat above where Dan hosted us at the campgrounds in Tennessee. Nice guy. We always appreciate his support for the Trans-America Trail and scar riding crazy dudes. I am liking these twisties.
They are your favorite.
Go Steve, you can do it!
You can do it!
I can do it. Yes, I can. I believe when we did the Blue Ridge Parkway, I got after it pretty good. Yes, you did. This is gonna be epic! Love it. Twisty mountain roads are the best. Tight right. This one's a really tight right. Don't miss this turn. You would definitely test out your suspension. Off the embankment into somebody's yard. Where to? Right? Left turn. Left? Yeah, aren't we cutting off a corner? Ooh, honk honk. Hmm? It'll be in Kris's 360 GoPro.
And I could follow it.
That's right. You saw a hawk? Yeah, it flew right over top of you. Oh, sweet. I missed it. Left turn. We made it! What's up, Dan? Nice to see you. Beer in hand, as you should be.
Cheers.
This is my brother from the same mother.
From the same mother.
Dan.
And I'm the brother from the other mother.
Welcome to Hiawassee. Glad you guys are here.
Man,
Dan,
this is awesome.
Dan
just beat the weather.
Shut that door down. Close the door! You gotta nail it shut!
Dan and his wife Linda live in Hiawassee, which is just off of the Scar, not that far, maybe 45-minute detour. And so we're going to hang out here for a day, especially if it's going to sleet and snow tomorrow, then we're going to maybe take a rest day.
Just go, man!
You've got a full bar.
Yes!
Yay.
Thanks, Dan.
Our house is your house.
Nice.
It's awesome.
And that's a wrap.
Yep.